What you got, Abby Doo?
Open it up, Abby.
It's a gift card. It's a hot gift card.
Hold on.
It's a hot gift
Yeah,
card.
let Abby open it up, okay?
It's hot gift card.
Open that up.
Looks like some sort of, like,
It's a
people.
gift card.
Does it say something?
Whoa. Let us see, Abby. Ah! Whoa!
It's the princess.
Did you hear that? So we now pronounce you birthday princess?
What? Abby's the birthday
You
princess?
just have to open it, Abby. It goes whenever you open and close it. So close it again if you want to hear it again. Open it up again. Go ahead.
It's so much fun. Open it like that.
And that's little things you can hang it on the wall, I think.
And now open it. Birthday princess. That's a
Yay!
ding, ding, ding.
What do you think about that?
Why should you turn the shot on? See, my watch this.
Okay. You caught it. Turn it around so I can see it. Wow, that's as tall as you are. Ta-da!
It's here.
That's pretty cute. So you finally got a singing card, huh?
Nah.
Huh?
Mom, what did this say? Mom, what did this say?
Keep pulling. Are you the birthday princess?
And what did this one?
I make music. Hey, are you the birthday princess? Let me see. Are you the birthday princess? The card says you are.